One of the things that we looked at when we were first looking at Spruce, we had several objectives, and a big one was we do have a mill, and we run the mill as a separate entity and cost center. So we wanted to be able to buy and sell from our mill internally. One of the things that Spruce has allowed us to do, it creates work orders. And so I can take a 1x6 or 1x8 or something, some piece of material out of the lumberyard side, and we can convert that and turn in a work order to our mill, and they'll produce a molding or a siding, and then they'll in turn, we can receive it back on our side. So it converts that piece of lumber into a finished product on the other side. And it gives us the capabilities of tracking the cost, and we have a document that follows that process. And so that was a huge step for us, and something that we really latched onto when we looked at Spruce.